Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops 2 on mobile. It's important to know that the original Black Ops 2 was never released for mobile platforms. However, there are a couple of ways you can still enjoy a similar experience or even play the actual game through alternative methods. We'll explore the official mobile game and then delve into cloud gaming options. Let's get started. For a direct and optimized mobile experience, Call of Duty Mobile is your best bet. This official title brings the intense action and competitive multiplayer that fans love right to your smartphone or tablet. You'll find familiar maps, iconic weapons, and various game modes, all designed for touch controls. It's completely free to download and play, offering a fantastic way to enjoy Call of Duty on the go. If you're set on playing the original Black Ops 2, cloud gaming is a viable option. Services like Xbox Cloud Gaming or NVIDIA GeForce now allow you to stream the PC or console version directly to your mobile device. This requires a very stable and fast internet connection, ideally 50 megabits per second or higher, to ensure smooth, low-latency gameplay. A subscription is usually necessary, and a good controller is highly recommended. To get the best cloud gaming experience, first select a service that offers Black Ops 2. Next, make sure your mobile device meets any specified requirements. Crucially, pair a Bluetooth controller with your phone or tablet. Touch controls are often not ideal for fast-paced shooters. Finally, ensure you have a strong, stable Wi-Fi connection, ideally on a 5 GHz band, to minimize lag and maximize your enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.